In this video I will show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing up. We start on our Facebook main homepage, and to fix the option Facebook Marketplace not showing up, what we have to do first is to go to the top of this main homepage, and among all the options that appear here, we have to go to the left where these three horizontal lines are displayed, and we have to press on them to open this menu. Now that this menu is open, we're going to scroll down until we see the section labeled Settings and Privacy. We click on it to expand all the different options, and now below that all these options are shown, we have to select the first one, Settings. So we press there, and as you can see, we're automatically redirected to the Settings and Privacy page. Now after that, the next step is to scroll down until we see the section labeled Preferences. And here pay very close attention, because among all the options that appear, we have to go to the center where the tab bar is located. We enter there, and now among all these options that appear, we're going to the top where it says Customize the bar, and we enter. Here we have to go to the Hidden option, where the marketplace is located. We press where it says Hidden, and here we select Pin, and it will be automatically shown on our homepage, and that's it.